My fellow countrymen, gentlemen and ladies, magandang araw po. This is your humble kababayan, Dato' Tani Abdullah, Presidente ng Kambantangan. Itong aming grupo ay isang advocacy movement which was instantly and spontaneously organized sometimes in August of 2008 or 3 years ago. Kambantangan is a Maguindanao terminology which is literally means truthfulness. It was spontaneously organized dahil sa aming nagkakaisa at pantay-pantay na nararamdaman at paniniwala na napapanahon na dapat palitan o baguhin ang sistemang umiiral sa pamamalakad ng ating pamahalaan sa kadahilanang hindi na akma o responsive para sa kapakanan o pag-unlad ng sambayanang Pilipino. Kaya kami ay umaasa na ang aming advocacy for real change ay magsilbing isa sa mga instrumento para makamit natin sa lalong madaling panahon ang tunay na pagbabago para sa isang maunlad at mapayapang Pilipinas. So let me read before you our advocacy for real change. What we need is real change, not just change in personalities in government. Real change starts and ends in the life of every Filipino. We need the kind of change that will bring decent jobs, decent shelters, food to eat, access to quality education, adequate health care, social security, and protection from both natural and man-made threats to all Filipinos. This kind of change requires societal transformation, and we need a good and strong government to initiate it. One that can combat corruption and crime, efficiently serve the common good, and rally our people towards a common vision. In the end, we need a new breed of leaders. Leaders who have a vision for a new and better Philippines. Real change starts with us. When we seek answers to important questions and resolve to act on the imperatives of the answers. It is time now to work together for the change we need. Thank you at mabuhay.